Hey everyone, it's Kelly here. I am coming to you with a slightly different video today. We've got a real chilled out vibe going on in this video. So I've got like a very yellowy light on. It's the evening time. I'm starting to wind down a little bit. I'm wearing my sweats and some fluffy socks, and I've got a hot chocolate in hand because today we're going to do a little bit of vision boarding. So I thought it would be really nice just to have a little bit of a chill night and just do this because it's such a fun thing to do. I meant to do it months ago, keep putting it off, keep forgetting about it, and today I'm just going to sit down and actually do my vision board. So before I actually dive into doing it, I quickly just wanted to say like what a vision board is and why I want to do it. So a vision board is basically got to do with manifestation, and it's the law of attraction. So the idea behind a vision board is that you put pictures on there of things that you have as your dreams or your goals, and then you're manifesting them to come true. So because you're actually putting it out there and you're putting that into the world, it comes to you. I think that's how it works. That's my understanding of how it works. So what I've got this little pin board that I'm going to use for my vision board, and then I've also got some professionally kind of printed photos so that this is like more legit than what I printed off on my computer because they were terrible quality. So I've got some really nice little images. They're like these little square images, so kind of similar to Polaroids, and I just thought these were really cute, really nice to use, so that's why I've gone with these ones. I don't even know if I've got enough for the space. I don't know if I've got too many or too little, but we will find out. Oh yeah, make sure that you subscribe to my channel as well so you can see more of my future videos just by hitting that big red button down below, and also please give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you like this kind of like chill evening with me vibe, then let me know in the comments down below and I can do more stuff like this in the future. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to talk you through a couple of the pictures that I went for before I actually start putting them onto my vision board. And the mistake that I made the last time when I did it and printed off the pictures from my computer is that I chose pictures which number one weren't a great quality, and number two weren't very aesthetic, I guess you could say. So I didn't really look at them and go, ooh, that's like, I want that, like that, you know, like it didn't have that vibe to it, but I wanted to have that vibe. So one of the first pictures I went for is what I would class as a picture of kind of like a dream house that I would want. Now I have absolutely no idea where this house is even in the world, but I saw it and I was like, oh, that's exactly the kind of house that I would want. It just is beautiful and it's big, and yeah, I'd love to just live in my dream house someday. Then it also had quite a few which are to do with YouTube. The first one I have here is the silver play button. So I would love to someday actually reach the 100k mark on YouTube. That would just be an amazing thing to me, so that's definitely got to be on my vision board. Similarly to that, I would love to get monetized on YouTube, so you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I think, so that would be a really great milestone to hit. Then I just have a couple which are sort of like about growth and getting views and that kind of. So the next one I have then is Rise. So that is a conference. It was supposed to be in San Diego in July, but because of COVID they actually have moved it online and it's going to be in May time, so I'm really excited for that. And I know this is kind of going to manifest anyway because I've already got my ticket, but I just wanted to put it on there as a reminder to myself, and I think it's like a big thing for me, you know, it's like a really important conference and I think it's going to make a massive difference to me, so I wanted to put that on there. Okay, so next, because I absolutely love a quote, there are quite a few quote ones. I'm going to show you some of the ones that I love. So I love this one, BYOB, be your own boss. I think that's just a really cool thing, and I think it's big inspiration for me because I would love to be my own boss someday. Another one here says, I'm working on myself, for myself, by myself. I love that one as well. I think that's a really great quote. And I love this one as well. This one says, intensity is not as important as consistency, which is a really important one for YouTube, I feel like. So yeah, I really like that quote as well. I've got a little garden one as well. So gardening is something which I have kind of discovered a passion for recently, and I've been working a lot on our garden, but someday I would love to have a big garden, loads of planters, loads of things growing, and maybe a more flexible work schedule so I could spend more time in the garden because I just love it. Okay, then I've got some travel ones, so just a few places that I really want to visit. So this one is Tokyo. I would love to visit Tokyo. I've also got just a beach, like I just love to be at the beach, so I love to have that on there just to sort of manifest getting to the beach more often. I've also got one of California there because I would love to go to California. That's another one of New York, so I'm hoping to go back to New York soon. and one of just like first class travel, because I would love to travel first class someday. So I feel like that's like a good rundown of the type of things I have on my vision board. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to start actually putting them on, and I'll just speed this up a little bit so it's not as boring for you guys, because I want to think about where I put everything. Okay, so I have finished my vision board. Da-da-da! Here it is! My light is just reflecting real bad in it. But anyway, here it is. So as you can see, this board turned out to be pretty much the perfect size. There's a couple of gaps, so I probably could have done with a couple more pictures. But overall, I'm really happy with how it turned out for like my first vision board. I didn't want it to be too crowded anyway, because I wanted to still be able to see all of the things that I put on here, because I think that's important. And then I've just put it in place with just like little push pins. But I honestly, I really like it. I feel like it's really good for like a first vision board attempt. I feel like it's not bad, right? So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's slightly different type of video for me. It's a little bit more chill, a little bit more of like an evening vibe to this video, but I just thought it'd be fun just to do something a little bit different. And I was going to do my vision board anyway, so I thought I'll bring you guys with me when I do it so that you can see what I do. And yeah, it's been really fun hanging out, and I really hope you guys stick around. Make sure you hit that big subscribe button down below, and I will see you all in the next one.